Got one. Holy cow. I did it. 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 Come here, guy. Oh, man. Oh, I did it. Oh, my God. Oh. Hey, guys. Welcome to another episode of Wandering Joe's Fly Fishing. As I said at the end of the last video, I was gonna go to the first creek in that video that I went to because I had gotten some intel about a different place to try. And so I am here. I'm actually not even at the creek that the guy recommended I fish, but I'm here and I've had a really good day so far. So check it out. Got one. Oh man, super tiny. Oh, super tiny brookie. Wow. Look at those red spots. Holy cow. Alright guys, time to let him go. But I don't know if you can see, but look at those red spots, man. How beautiful. How beautiful. There he goes. Got one. All right. Rainbow Warrior for the win. Oh, nice little shrimpo guy. Of course. I wasn't recording when there was a dry fly eat. Of course not. Ay. But, look at this brookie. Let me give you a shot of him now, and then I'll give you a better shot on the bigger camera. But look at that guy. Look, he inhaled the dry fly. All right. Easy. Look at the colors on that guy. Let me see if I can put it in my shadow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. One more shot at this fantastic guy. Oh man. Got one. All right. What do we get? Oh, we got a rainbow on a Rainbow Warrior. All right. Look at that guy. How cool. Oop. There he goes. Got one. This one's a sizable guy. Sizable rainbow. On a Rainbow Warrior. All right. Awesome. All right, guys, let's let him go. There he goes. Wow. Did not expect that guy. What do we got? Looks like... Oh, another brookie. Man. Can't get enough of these guys. So pretty. Again, look at this guy. That's it. Got him. Haha. All right. Oh. Oop. Hey, I did net him. All right. Let's get him back in the water. All right. Look at that guy. Oh, wrong way, dude. There he goes. I didn't reset my camera, but who we have the fourth one out of this hole, and this is a super small brookie. I mean, look how tiny this guy is. Definitely the smallest of the day. Oh man. Oh, go that way, Mr. Brookie. There he goes. Cool. So, I think it's time for me to actually go and fish the creek that I wanted to come here and fish. It's been amazing. It's been absolutely amazing. So, I hope the creek that I'm about to fish is just as amazing as my day has been so far. Everything has been caught on either a Mr. Rapidan size 16 or some Rainbow Warrior, either size 18 or size 16. That's all you need for small creeks, guys. And I showed you how to tie a Rainbow Warrior. I may show you how to tie a Mr. Rapidan because it's been working so well. So let's get some water, let's pack up, and let's go to the other section. I'm still not at the creek. I want to fish. It's just, how do you say no to like some of these holes, you know? I just can't. I can't say no. Well, guys, missed another dry fly eat, but I don't know why I keep missing dry fly eats, but thank you, Mr. Tiny Brookie. Oh man. Got one. Oh no. Huh, still on. Cool. Man, they're small, but this is fun. Thank you, Mr. Tiny Brookie. Whew. Wind. Footing. Got him, got him. Got him, got him. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? I was recording. Cool. Another super tiny brook trout. All right. Super tiny. Boom. There he goes. Got one. Got him. Oh. Sizable rainbow. All right. I love it. I love it so much. Got him. This is probably the most sizable brook trout all day. Maybe. Look at that guy. Let's put him back. Boom. Awesome. We got another one. Man. Come here. Come here, guy. Oh man, another beautiful rainbow. What is going on? Ooh, almost fell. All right. Ooh. Look at that guy. Excellent. Boop. Well guys, I caught a bunch more trout, but I wanted to show you something. This waterfall was actually the creek I was supposed to fish, but didn't fish. So I'm gonna head back and I'm gonna fish one of the same holes I fished because none of the things I got were on a dry fly. But man, what a view. How beautiful is this place? Unbelievable. So let me see if I can get a dry fly on film. Got one. Holy cow. I did it. 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 Come here, guy. Oh, man. Oh, I did it. Oh, my God. Oh. Guys, this is the brookie of the day. Look at that guy. Oh, how insanely pretty. So guys, that's the video. I know the trout that I caught were kind of small, but I caught 10 brook trout and I caught 6 rainbow trout. And after this winter of kind of like struggling and having only few numbers, to catch that many was just like so much fun, you know? And I needed fun. I needed fun after this winter, and that's exactly what I got. However, wait until next week, because next week not only will there be numbers, there will also be size. So, in order to check that out, don't forget to subscribe so you get notified about my videos. Don't forget to like this video. And also don't forget to check out this video where my buddy Will and I are running a deal about the micro leech. So definitely want to get a part of that deal, although it'll last until the end of the year, so you got some time, but really for trout fishing, that fly is amazing. So, as always guys, take care of yourselves, be well, and I'll see you on the next one.